Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting because I bought a Kindle. It's in this box right here. Literally just got delivered to my house 15 minutes ago and I cannot wait to open this box. Quickly, before I do, make sure you guys are subscribed down below. I have lots of fun content planned for the next month, and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you have a Kindle and if you have any tips and tricks, things that you recommend for my Kindle Unlimited recommendations. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I have always been very much a physical book girly. My whole entire life I've always said this because obviously we know Kindles have been around a very long time. I remember as I was getting into reading more like chapter books and longer books and stuff, end of elementary school, middle school, I was very much against e-readers. Like I would go and tell people like I never want to have an e-reader. Like I love the feeling of holding a book and closing a book, which yes, that is true. However, I have been reading some very big books recently, like 800 pages, and holding a book that size at night in bed, not the most exciting thing. I also am a huge fan of Libby, and I use that app a lot. If you're not familiar, that's a way to use your library card to download ebooks and audiobooks and magazines and stuff. And I hate reading on my phone, but it's great that I have access to all of these books that maybe I can't get out of the library right away, or I don't have a physical copy of that I own, I don't feel like buying it. And that's another reason why I thought it would be fun to have a Kindle. Also, I read in my bed at night a lot and would love to read more in the morning when I wake up, but my partner and I share a room, and if he goes to sleep before me, I don't want to turn the light on, or if I wake up before him, I don't want to turn the light on then either. So this is another great way for me to be able to read more often. I don't need to tell you guys all these different reasons why I bought a Kindle, because I'm sure if you're watching this video, you know what a Kindle is. Either you have one, you're thinking of buying one, but those are the reasons that I decided to buy it. Timing wise, the new Kindles just came out last week, and I'd had my eye on the agave green Kindle Paperwhite for the past like month or so. I was looking at refurbished ones, and both the refurbished ones and the regular ones were out of stock. And when I heard that these ones were coming out, I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait, we'll see what they look like. And I ended up buying the regular Kindle, just like the Kindle Basic, in matcha green, and I'm very excited to see it because I've seen a bunch of videos online, I saw the pictures on the website. They all look a little bit different, so I'm excited to see what the color is, but it's a more affordable option. It was only like $109, and I had some credit card rewards points to use towards it, so it was not that expensive for me, and I'm just very excited. I felt a little left out not having a Kindle, so I'm excited to have a Kindle now, see what it's like reading on a Kindle. I haven't read on an e-reader since like maybe middle school. I borrowed one from the library sometimes, so we'll see if I become converted to an e-reader girly. Those are all of the reasons. Now for the most exciting part, let's unbox this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got a case, of course. This is just like a clear case. I'm gonna put stickers or pictures in the back like everybody else does, but I thought that this would be a fun way to decorate it but also show off the green color still a little bit. And my Kindle in matcha. Guys, I'm so excited about this. So this is the Generation 11 Kindle in 16 gigabytes. Let's open it. I'm gonna open this. I'll put the little video in right here so you can see what it looks like as I opened it, and then I will come back and we will turn it on and go over everything together. Guys, okay, first impressions. Obsessed with the color. Some of the pictures made me worry that it was going to be a little bit too minty, but it's definitely the color that they are advertising it to be. It's more sagey. It's a little bit more minty than the agave green Paperwhite is, but this one is definitely a color that I love. And something I love about this compared to the last model of Paperwhites is the colors on the front too, so you know it's a green Kindle even if you have like a different color case. So right now I just have this clear case. I will be crocheting or sewing like a little sleeve for it to go in, but I may end up getting like one of those cases that has like the flip lid thing so it turns off. But let's set it up. Another thing I want to say is that I was reading about this Kindle, and it is like one of their most eco-friendly models because it's made of mostly recycled material, whatever, and the packaging is really eco-friendly. So I will definitely have to say all the packaging that it came in is recyclable, so that's pretty cool. Shout out to companies for pre-charging the devices. Like, it's no fun if you get a new device and then you have to plug it in and wait to use it. I am a little bit too impatient for that. It's just loading right now, not sure what it's doing, but I think in the past Kindles typically have come with a 3-month free trial of Kindle Unlimited. I think I can only do a free trial for 1 month. I'm choosing to not connect my Kindle to my GOODREADS account because I've heard that if you have your Kindle connected to your GOODREADS, then it just says you're currently reading like every book you started like 1 or 2 pages of, and that would drive me crazy. Oh, I do get a 3-month free trial. Okay, great. I was trying to figure this out ahead of time because it didn't like give me an option to buy it, or like it didn't give me an option at checkout. But yes, I would like a 3-month free trial deal. We'll see after 3 months if I don't think it's worth it, but I'll have to go through and add to my TBR stuff on Kindle Unlimited. And if there are a lot of books on there that I think I would read, I will probably keep it, but may like pause it and start it based on the months, but we'll see. For now, 3 free months is a no-brainer. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my gosh, I can't believe I have a Kindle. This is so cool. I also think I can play audiobooks on here. Oh, I can connect to Bluetooth on here so I can play my Audible books. That's kind of cool. Okay, one downside of this particular model compared to the Paperwhite is that the Paperwhite has a warm tone setting. So like the background glows warm. I didn't like the new Paperwhite colors and I didn't want to spend that much money. So hopefully this doesn't bother my eyes. It's still like I can change the brightness, so I think it won't be a problem. But oh, I also didn't pay for the one without ads. It seemed like so unnecessary to spend $20 extra on it so that it wouldn't display ads on the lock screen. Like, I don't care. Guys, I don't even know what to say. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. I am gonna go look through my collection of stickers and photos and stuff, and I think I'm gonna do like a little collage vibe on the back. I've seen most people like just place the stickers on top and put the case over it rather than sticking the stickers to anything, and I think that's kind of fun because then I can switch it up if I want. And then I'll come back, I'll show you how I've decorated it, and I will also show you my TBR. I'm gonna go through Kindle Unlimited and see what books I want to add to my TBR. And then it's so small too. Like, I love that I can just hold it in my hand, and I have very tiny hands. And like I can just lay in bed and read it, and it could probably even fit in my pocket. Wow, I am gonna be unstoppable. Watch out. Okay, I'm gonna go find some stuff to decorate this with. Okay guys, I am back. I was just looking through, I have this like box of memorabilia stuff. I was just looking through that to see if I had anything that would fit on here, but this is so tiny. Like, the only thing I pulled out is this really cute painting that my sister did. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, it's like so, this is so tiny. I can't like fit anything else on here, so I guess I want to put that in. And I pulled some stickers out. I'm just gonna put a few on, and then maybe I'll print out some pictures. I saw somebody once, instead of like buying stickers, just like printed out little images off of Canva, which I thought was kind of cute. Yeah, like if I put this sticker on there, that's like the whole thing. For now, we're gonna just go with these 2 stickers. I will probably do some looking on Pinterest and stuff. I was kind of thinking it'd be fun to do a little collage with like a piece of fabric, because I have a lot of fabric I could use, and I would love to put like a couple photos in there, but I think I'm gonna have to like print some stuff out in order to do that. So if you want to see what the final product looks like, make sure you go check out my Bookstagram. I just started an Instagram solely for books because I never post on my personal Instagram anyway, and this is all I really want to talk about. Anyway, that's at Maya G Books, so make sure you follow me there. It will be linked down below like always. and I will be posting an update probably the day this video goes out. So if you are watching this video, go check out over there what my Kindle ended up looking like after I decorate it. Before we go, I just want to quickly run through with you what I have on my Kindle Unlimited TBR. I'm going to put it scrolling up here. I just like kind of clicked through and did some books that I've been hearing about, and the nice thing about Kindle Unlimited is I think you can have 20 books downloaded at a time, and I think it might be fun for me if I want to like test out some authors that like I've never read anything by Elsie Silver, but I've heard a lot about her, and I'm not like, those aren't the type of books that I typically read, so I wouldn't like buy one of her books, and I haven't been able to find a lot of them at the library, so those are nice on Kindle Unlimited. Oh yeah, like Heartless is on Kindle Unlimited, so I can read that, test out if I like her, which I'm hoping I will be able to do with a bunch of authors that are very popular, see how I feel about them. So yeah, that's my Kindle Unlimited TBR. As of now, I don't have any books that I've bought. My goal is to just use what I can get on Kindle Unlimited and then what I can get out of my libraries on Libby, and if there's anything else that I like do not own a physical copy of, cannot get out of the library physically, cannot get out of the library digitally, or is not on Kindle Unlimited, maybe I'll buy it. My goal with this was just to have another format for reading, not to buy more books, because I have, as you can see, plenty of books already. So let me know if you want a little update in a couple months how I'm feeling about my Kindle. Maybe I'll talk about it in reading vlogs coming up. I will be bringing this with me on vacation in a couple weeks, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any fun new videos from me, especially now that I have my Kindle. I cannot believe it. I'm so excited. I will stop yapping. Please leave me a comment letting me know if you have any fun Kindle related video ideas I could do, and leave any tips and tricks for the Kindle down below, any books on Kindle Unlimited you'd recommend. Let's just have a little chat in the comments. Would love to talk to you guys. So thank you so much for watching all the way till the end, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, friends.